Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are working with a sundew called Drosera capensis. It's a very common sundew, very easy to take care of, and one of the things it loves, especially in the winter months, is some food. So I was just about to feed my sundews and I decided to bring you guys along with me so you can see how it's done. So for these guys, one of my favorite foods for them is just a ground up fish food. This is a pellet that is just ground up. It's actually not even ground, it's just the bottom of the bag sort of thing. And it works really well for them. You want to make sure that whatever you're using isn't too big. If it sucks out too much moisture out of the actual, I'll call it a tentacle, out of the dewy drops, it could potentially kill the pitcher itself. They can see how dewy these guys are just from my fingers here sticking to it. And I'm going to show you guys how I feed them. So if you were to put this sort of food on a tiny plant, you might end up killing a leaf, but on these big plants like this, they absolutely love it. And what you'll find after an hour or two is the leaves actually are curled around the food because, you know, they sense it like an insect. They can taste it or however it works, and they curl right around it, and it's kind of cool. So if you're finding your sundews are getting smaller and smaller despite having, you know, proper conditions, and they're inside, maybe they're in an aquarium or under a grow light, anywhere but outside where there's not an abundance of bugs, then you might want to consider feeding them as well. So if I bring it closer, maybe it'll come into view here. I'll just try to zoom in here so you can see I just sort of sprinkle it on, and you don't want too much per, but you want a fair amount. So I'm not doing the really old tentacles, we'll still call them. Those sticky traps are basically, they're done. There's not much dew on them. And I'm not doing the brand new ones either. So there we have it. And you know what? I'm going to go around and do this to all my other sundews, all my other capensis, and that's going to give them a boost. And it's going to give them a boost for probably 2 weeks to a month. And then I will have to do it again because these guys just love to be fed. So other things you could use is a fish food like a pellet or a flake, sorry. Freeze-dried bloodworms works really well. Of course, fruit flies if you have them. What else could you use? Gosh, you could do a foliar spray of like a really, really quarter strength diluted fertilizer like Max D. But yeah, for me, good old-fashioned fish pellets, ground up, works great. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.